is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day where you eat a lot of food and get really full. It's Thanksgiving, so I'd like to wish everybody who watches my videos a happy Thanksgiving. So this year we're going out to my aunt's house for Thanksgiving, and we're eating a lot of yummy food, turkey, mashed potatoes, Hawaiian rolls. I'm excited for the rolls, guys. So yeah, I think we're about to leave right now, and I will see you guys whenever I decide to vlog again. Most excited to eat today?
Pumpkin pie.
I'm most excited to eat mashed potatoes and rolls because
of course
that's
you are,
the.
because you need to get fatter.
Get out of here.
It's Christmas time. So we're putting white lights around this tree, and we're also putting them around this tree, and then that tree down there.
Grab them in your hand. Put your phone down.
I'm vlogging.
Jeez.
We have all our trees wrapped. Those are wrapped, and that one is wrapped. So yeah, they're gonna look pretty cool at night, bro. Here is our snowman Gigantor. He's ready for Christmas. It is now time to put the Christmas tree up.
I'll be right back.
Let's do this. It's now time to put up the lights on the tree. So it's gonna go super fast for you guys, but super slow for us. So here we go. So here's what our tree looks like from the outside, and Mom put up this little nice snowflake, and these are what the trees look like. We have those two, and then this one over here. And this is the one in the backyard because I had to do a voiceover because I messed it up. Okay, bye.
An ornament or
Are you excited for Christmas? No comment.
this one from not last year. Where's our ornament from last?
So we're putting up the ornaments right now. They're all looking good. We got way more to put up, so yeah, that's what we're doing. Put the ornaments on, and Mom's gonna put the star on. Let's see it. Don't fall.
It's officially Christmas.
So it is currently Saturday night, tomorrow's Sunday, and the news has predicted that there's going to be a huge snowstorm tomorrow. It's starting like around 6 a.m. and it's gonna be like 4 to 9 inches of snow, like bad weather, like windy, like rain, like everything. I literally have said like 40,000 times. So they're telling people to like get their groceries, like stay inside, like it's pretty intense. So I'm gonna see what the morning brings, because that's when it's supposed to start. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed because it's really late, and I'll see you guys in the morning and see if it's completely white outside. So peace out.
The massive storm hit as more than 50 million Americans are heading home after the Thanksgiving holiday. Wind gusts of up to 50 miles per hour, feet of snow.
It was really bad. At some points there was no visibility. Huge buses stuck on the road.
All overwhelming cars and canceling and delaying hundreds of flights. Kansas, one of the hardest hit areas, declared a state of emergency.
These are very bad conditions. In my 19 years as a trooper, this might be the top 5 worst I've ever seen.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. I just woke up a little bit ago, and I was waking up to not a snowstorm. It's not snowing yet. It's still pretty normal out, but it's getting pretty windy. The snowstorm's supposed to hit around like 12:30 30 or 1. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated because this is like the biggest snowstorm that's been predicted to hit here. Like, it has a name, like it's gonna be like a hurricane type storm but with snow, I guess you could say. The name of the snowstorm is Bruce. So Bruce is coming to destroy, obviously. So yeah, a lot of things have been going on. So I'm gonna go chill and probably do nothing because the snowstorm's gonna keep everyone inside, and I'm gonna vlog back when it starts and when it gets pretty intense. So let's hope that everyone's safe out there because no one knows what the storm's gonna bring. So it's getting really windy outside. The wind is like roaring. So yeah, it's gonna be intense. So right now it is sleeting. And if you don't know what sleet is, it's like little ice things that make the road slick. So that's what it's doing right now. So I'm currently outside right now, and this is literally crazy. Like, the blizzard is, I can't see like the gas station. Look at this, it's so crazy out. This is so crazy.
Cloud growth going on, a little friction going on within the cloud, and there's enough charge to produce a lightning strike.
I'm outside right now. Wanted to give you guys an update. It's dark out now. The blizzard is still going. It's supposed to go all night. Conditions are very snowy. The wind is blowing. Here, while I was playing my video game, Fortnite, I saw a flash of lightning in the sky, and it scared the heck out of me. So this storm is getting pretty intense. We don't know what that flash of light was. It could have been snow lightning or whatever, if that's a thing. So we're not quite sure, but the snow is intense. It's cold. It's just very intense, and the roads are not good. I saw a truck go down, but I don't know why people are out on the roads. It's not safe. So yeah, just stay safe out there. I hope for no school tomorrow, but we'll have to see what happens. Thank you. I'll keep you updated. Sadie went outside and got very snowy.
Get off, sister. Get off, sister. Yay, fluff!
The lights are flickering. We don't want the power to go out. He's eating Fluff. Uh-oh, cable. The cable.
No.
Oh.
No. Oh, it's back. It's back. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Drew, shut up.